powered by breakthroughs in carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, advanced gyroscopes and stabilizers, high-density batteries, intelligent flight control systems, next-generation imaging, visible, thermal, night vision, and laser rangefinder, precision sensors and radars, LiDAR, phased array, SAR, multispectral technology, high-performance chips, and AI. UAVs have become essential to modern operations. Drones are transforming industries from construction, infrastructure, and agriculture to defense, emergency response, logistics, and scientific research. And their impact continues to accelerate.